Gum between my lips and riding with the bitch that size me. She ducking out, she tryna sleep. I'm ducking out, I'm tryna see the road, but all I can see your phone. Wants me coming closer to me, I think I'm about to die with it. Swerving down the motherfucker, bitch, it ain't my time. Let the road blow up first, then I might just close my eyes. I'm up in the phone with my whole life to do the worst. I know this bitch is just another lie. The sunrise stars and all I got.
That one was fire. That lap was great. I'm happy with that one.
Hell yeah. Let's go.
Catch a hat trick, roll it up and gas it. With the knife, disappear just like it's magic. High fashion, yeah, she dressing fashion. With the cold pouring up in the mansion. Yeah, I'm hot as hell. Since a day, and she told me that she's faithful. Honestly, yeah, stupid as smoking. And that ass all too trap, low 5'6". Read a poem, but I don't wanna dispose of. We gon' snap her like a pig, no exposure. In the Hellcat, feeding up the money. That's my niggas if he cool, they say problem. She mileage, really getting mileage. She gon' get me running like that bitch smoking cold. We be out the opiates, yeah, we be speaking nonsense. Shorty give me brain on my neck, think I lost it. I can't even lie. Don't have to see my body, baby, yeah, I feel like I'm a whole pack. Come in here, yeah, I think it's almost time. And I told that boy, baby, really have a car.
What the fuck you going, little boy? Come here. It's 2024 and this nigga got champion on. I know he don't got no gift. I got a flash on the golf on the fuckboy scene. He froze up just like a dip. I'm in the Airbnb with 200 white holes. I told Ian, come get near. Caught him a trap with Drake all in that shit. His bitch ass couldn't even step. I'm out drinking. Ian finna piss me off. Keep trying to give me a belt. One of the ops like You would think he was playing front tail. I'm down on the office, this big ass ARP. I was aiming this bitch at his ear. You would think we got in the car accident. The way that I'm hitting this bitch from the rep. If I had ops in the 1500, I started on a horse with a Glock in the spell. Hit his ass 22 times with a 509. They say it's condition severe. I still be spinning they block, nigga. Fuck my ops. I promise I'm making that clip. We talk game, nigga go act about us. We make our ops disappear. Forever gon' stick to the code. When I get in that room, I act like I can't hear. I was so happy when one of the ops had died. I damn this shit a tip, nigga.
Still cannot quit yet. I got time to kill, son. 50 for this fit check, 60 for my wrist, boy. Drifting in this Billy Continental. I might flip, son. Vicious